So this is the 3 egg. We have just put them at the bottom. We have to light it. After we light it, then we use these sticks that you see like this. Then we have to put it on top. So we have to first light it first so that it should be catching before we put these sticks. So this is our smoker that we have just lighted. So when you cover it, you see the smoke coming to the top, and if I blow it, you can see how it's function. So that is our smoke. I've just make our smoke blower with local material, so you can really see how it functions. So that is our smoker that we have make with local material.